As a property manager, your most time-consuming, aggravating, mind-numbing, most dreadful task is probably accounting. Okay, so maybe that was an over-exaggeration, but also maybe it wasn't. Either way, accounting is a big task that needs to be done correctly, and today I'm gonna help you learn about upgrading your property management accounting to make things automated and easier. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a landlord and real estate investor here to help you out. I also work at a property management software company, DoorLoop, so I have quite a bit of knowledge when it comes to property accounting, especially when it comes to automation. Today, like I said, I'm going to give you a guide to upgrading your accounting and some helpful tools to do so. To better understand property accounting, there are some key concepts and terminologies that you'll need to be familiar with if you're not already. These include rental income, rental property expenses, maintenance costs, commissions, insurance, legal fees, and security deposits. To read the definition of each of these terms, pause now to read them on screen. So now that we know about the accounting basics, let's move on to what all is included in property accounting. Then we'll talk about how to simplify all of this. Here are some best practices. Creating a property accounting system is the first step in managing your rental properties. A property accounting system helps you keep track of your financial transactions related to your rental properties, such as rent payments, maintenance costs, commissions, insurance, and legal fees. One of the key elements of property accounting system is the accounting software. There are many accounting software options available for property managers, such as DoorLoop's property management software. So if you want to make accounting a breeze, then get a free demo with DoorLoop up here or with the link down below. Apart from handling all your accounting tasks, DoorLoop also has tons of other features like online rent payments and maintenance requests. Documenting and tracking transactions is critical in rental property accounting. All financial transactions related to your rental properties should be documented and tracked in your property accounting system. This includes tracking rent payments, maintenance costs, commissions, insurance, and legal fees. Implementing financial controls is important in property accounting as well. Financial controls help prevent fraud and ensure that financial transactions are accurate. One of the most important financial controls is to separate your personal and your business accounts. You should have separate bank accounts for your rental properties and your personal expenses. This will make it easier to track income and expenses related to your rental properties. Maintaining accurate records is essential in property accounting. You should keep track of all your financial transactions related to rental properties, including rent payments, maintenance costs, commissions, insurance, and legal fees. You should also keep track of security deposits and any other fees associated with the property. Budgeting and forecasting are also really essential practices for property managers. Property managers should develop a budget that outlines their expected income and expenses for the year. This should help you plan for maintenance costs, repairs, and unexpected expenses that may arise. Reconciling bank accounts is a vital practice in property accounting as well. It involves comparing your bank statements with your accounting records to ensure that all transactions are accounted for correctly. Reporting and analysis are the final practices in property accounting. Property managers must generate financial reports and analyze the data to make informed business decisions. This includes tracking income and expenses, generating cash flow statements, and analyzing financial ratios. Wow, that's a lot to handle, especially if you're not an accounting pro or great with numbers and organization. The best way that you can simplify all of this for your accounting is with accounting software. Accounting software not only automates much of what was once repetitive manual input work, but also makes new things possible. It does it all quickly, conveniently, and neatly. A decent accounting solution can track deposits, record rent payments, do payroll, and issue vendor and contractor invoices. Even if you have an outside accountant, you're going to want quality accounting software that you can plug everything into. Even better than just accounting software is actually property management software with a full accounting suite tailored to your specific needs. So all that being said, let's dive into some accounting software options. The first, and probably not the best option, is using general accounting software such as QuickBooks. QuickBooks is a very popular option for small businesses. However, if you manage dozens of properties yourself or are part of a property management company team that manages a large number of properties, you'll quickly notice the limitations. With QuickBooks, it's hard to work using multiple accounts, such as property management, business management, and deposits. Both properties and tenants have to be inputted as customers, which requires a workaround to get everything to show up correctly, and it can be a little bit confusing. So what's the solution? DoorLoop. DoorLoop is an all-in-one property management software with a full accounting suite made for property managers. With DoorLoop, you get much more than just robust accounting features. You also get features like an owner portal where owners can check and review key reports and where payments can be issued, a tenant portal where you can streamline communications, marketing tools such as automatic listings, maintenance order management system that automates much of the process, and many more. DoorLoop was built to be highly intuitive and easy to use. You don't need any special training to get started with with DoorLoop and begin streamlining your accounting. DoorLoop has accounting tools that can replace QuickBooks, or if you already use QuickBooks and don't want to give it up just yet, you get a convenient one-click integration with QuickBooks. DoorLoop's accounting suite includes custom reports, a complete chart of accounts, and multiple payment options for tenants such as ACH and credit cards. You can connect with your bank, receive payments automatically, send funds to vendors, track bills, customize your chart of accounts, and manage expenses with real-time reporting all in one place. DoorLoop can streamline your entire accounting process so you don't have to stress as much about it. It also makes tax season way easier. And DoorLoop is only $49 a month for up to 20 units. Less time spent on accounting means having more time available to build relationships, plan for the future, and grow your business. Leverage advanced accounting features to simplify your ledgers, customize your reports, and make the most of your properties. Get a free demo with DoorLoop to look through the software with a live person and ask all the questions you have. You can go to www.doorloop.com/YouTube, click up here or down in the description. You'll even get a discount for coming from YouTube. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for some more property management tips, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!